Now we'll do Algebra Standard 10 Practice Set 1.3 Chapter Linear Equation in two variables. Okay. So this exercise is of Cramer's rule. Solve the value of x and y by Cramer's rule. So first you have to understand what is Cramer's rule. Okay. For example, equation is a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1. So this is the first equation. And second equation a2x b2y is equal to c2. Second equation. Here x and y are the variables. Okay, a, b and c are the numbers. A, b and c are the numbers. So in this you have to find out if d. First you have to find out d. What is the formula for d? a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, d is equal to a1 multiplied by b2. Put minus sign formula, in formula minus sign, then b1 multiply by a2. Okay, so this is the value, this is the formula for d. And if you want to find dx, we have to find out dx. So formula is c1 c2. Please remember the formulas b1 b2. Okay, so this is the formula for determinant x. Determinant x, same type of multiplication, c1 multiply by b2, put minus sign, b1 multiply by c2. Okay, when you finding determinant x, take the value of c and value of y. Okay, c1 c2 b1 b2. Don't take the value of x when you finding determinant x. When you finding determinant y, then a1 a2 c1 c2. Take the values of x and c. If you finding y, don't take the values of y. So formula is a1 a2 c1 c2. Then same type of multiplication, a1 multiply by c2, put minus sign, c1 multiply by a2. Okay, so this is the formula to find out the linear equation in two variables by Cramer's rule. Now we'll do practice set 1.3. First sum. In this first sum we have to fill in the blanks. So first sum 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay, so is equal to what? This 3 multiply by 5, then put minus sign, in formula 2 multiply by 4. Okay, so here 3 5 are 15, 2 4 are 8. Okay, here 15 minus 8 give you 7. Okay, now just put the box on the respective number. Okay, 15 minus 8. So this number is given, and last value of value is 7. Okay. Then second question, first sum. In this, find the values of the following determinants. Okay, here you have to find out d. So minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Okay, so you have to find out minus 1, 2, 7 and 4. You have to find out d. Minus 1 multiply by 4, put minus sign, formula sign, 7 multiply by 2. D is equal to 1 4 the 4, minus plus minus 4, 7 2 the 14, gives you what? D is equal to minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. Okay, now second sum. What is the question? 5 minus 7, 5 and minus 7, 3 and 0. Again d is equal to 5 multiply by 0, put minus sign, then 3 multiply by minus 7. Okay, d is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 3 7 are 21, minus minus plus 21. So d value is 21. Okay, so value of d is 21. Now come to third question. 7 upon 3. Okay, 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3. A1 value and B1. Here the numbers are in fraction. 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, a1 a2 b1 b2. Same type of multiplication, 7 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 2. Put minus sign, 5 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 2. Okay, d is equal to 1 7 the 7 3 2 the 6, 5 3 the 15, 3 2 the 6. Okay, here denominator 6 and 6 same, 7 minus 15. Okay, d is equal to 7 plus 7 and minus 15 gives you minus 8 upon 6. Now cancel the number, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. So your determinant d is minus 4 upon 3. Here we have done the determinants. Now in third question, solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. So first sum, here you have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, third question, first sum. So first equation is 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here in first you have to find out the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10. Now a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to 5. Okay, so here first find out the values of a, b, c, then write the formula for d. a1 a2 b1 b2 is equal to, here a1 is 3 4, b1 minus 4 and 3. Okay, so d is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 3. Then put the formula minus sign. Then this is minus 4. Put in bracket. When 2 sign is there, put in bracket. So minus 4 multiplied by 4. Okay. So d is equal to 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus, and 4 4s are 16. Okay. So d is equal to 25. So value of d is 25. First you have to find out d. Now next you have to find out dx. Okay. So determinant x is equal to formula for dx c1 c2 b1 b2. Okay, this, write the values properly. c1 c2 10 and 5. Okay, 10 and 5. b1 b2 minus 4 and 3. Please put the values properly. Okay, now determinant x, 10 multiply by 3, put minus sign, again minus 4 multiply by 5. Determinant x is equal to 10 3 is 30, minus minus plus 4 5 is 20. So 30 plus 20 50. So determinant x is equal to 50. Now find the value of determinant y. So formula is what? a1 a2 c1 c2. Again put the values here. a1 a2 3 4 3 4, c1 c2 10 5. Okay, dy is equal to 3 multiply by 5, put minus sign, 10 multiply by 4. This minus sign is of formula. In formula we put minus sign. Okay, dy 3 5 is 15, 10 4 is 40, minus plus minus 40 gives you what? Plus 15 minus 40 gives you minus 25. Okay, now x is equal to what? Determinant x upon d. If you want to find x, then dx upon d. So the value of determinant x is 50. Okay, and d is 25. 25 is the 25 2s are. Okay, x value is 2. Then y, determinant y upon d is equal to, dy is minus 25 and d is 25. 25 ones are 25 ones are. Here minus sign, therefore minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is the solution. So first sum finished. Okay, now second sum. So here we find out the values of x and y. Now second question. In second question, 4x plus 3y. Second question, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Next equation, 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Okay, so here the equation are in not proper order. So first we'll put the equation in proper order, then we'll solve the sum. So see, 4x as it is plus 3y as it is minus 4y will go to the right hand side. Equal to sign, this is left, this is right. So from left to right, minus will become plus. So plus 4. Okay. This equation 6x as it is minus 5 from right hand side to left hand side will become plus 5y, and 8 is onto the right hand side only, so equal to 8 only. Now the equation in proper order, then find out the value a1 4, b1 3, c1 4. Okay, now a2 6, b2 5 and c2 8. Okay, so here same d, what is the formula? a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, then write the value a1 a2 4 6, b1 b2 3 5. Okay, d is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, put minus sign, then 3 multiplied by 6. Here 4 5 the 20, minus sign, 3 6 the 18, minus 18, minus plus minus 18. D is equal to how much? 20 minus 18, 2. So we have find out the value of D. Then find out the value of dx. So dx formula is c1 c2 b1 b2. Okay, so again write the value properly. a1 c1 c2 4 8, b1 b2 3 5. So don't miss the number and sign, write properly the values. 4 multiplied by 5, put minus sign, 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 4 5 the 20, 3 8 the 24, minus plus minus 24. dx is equal to 20 minus 24 gives you minus 4, plus 20 minus 24 gives you minus 4. Now find out the value of dy. Formula first, write the formula. Formula is a1 a2 and c1 c2. Formula is a1 a2. When we take the value of y, take the value of x and c value. Okay, a1 a2 and c1 c2. Now a1 a2 4 6 4 6, c1 c2 4 8. Okay, dy is equal to 4 multiplied by 8, put minus sign, 4 multiplied by 6. Okay, 4 8 are 32, 4 6 are 24, minus plus minus 24. Okay, dy is equal to how much? 32 minus 24, 6 and 2 8. dy is equal to 8. Now you have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to dx upon d. So dx, value of dx is minus 4 and value of d is 2. Value of d is 2. 2 1 the 2 2 the 4, minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d. Determinant is y upon d. 8 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. Okay. So here x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4 is the solution. Okay. Now second sum finish. Third sum. Come to third sum. Equation is x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So this is the equation. Again write the value a1, b1, c1, a1. No value with the variable, then you have to write 1. b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 1. Again a2, 2, b2 minus 3 and c2 12. Okay. So here we have to find out d. So d a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay. Then write the value 1, 2, 2 minus 3. Okay. D is equal to 1 multiply by minus 3, put minus sign, 2 multiply by 2 gives you 1 3s are 3 plus minus minus 3, 2 2s are 4 minus plus minus 4. D is equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Okay. Then find out dx. Formula c1, c2, b1, b2. Okay. See in the question c1, c2 minus 1, 12, b1, b2, 2 minus 3. Okay. Then determinant x is equal to multiply minus 1 multiply by minus 3, put minus sign, 2 multiply by 12. Okay. Then determinant x is equal to 1 3s are 3 minus minus plus 3, 2 12s are 24 minus 2 and plus 12 minus 24. So determinant x is equal to minus 21. Plus 3 and minus 24 minus 21. Then find determinants y. Write the formula a1, a2, c1, c2. Okay. a1, a2, 1 and 2, c1, c2 minus 1 and 12. 1 2 and minus 1 12. dy is equal to 1 multiply by 12, put minus sign, then minus 1 multiply by 2 is equal to 1 12 the 12 minus minus plus 1 2 the 2 plus 2 gives you 14. Okay. So here the value is 40 dy. Now find the value of x. Dx upon d. So dx is minus 21 and d is minus 7. Minus minus cut, 7 ones are 7, 3s are. Y is equal to dy upon d. So dy is 14 and d is minus 7. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14. And only one sign in denominator will go to the numerator. 7 2s are 14 and this minus sign will come up. So minus 2. What is the value of y is minus 2. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Okay. Then question number 3. Question number 4. Okay. So question number 4. Write the equation 6x minus 4y. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. And next equation 8x minus 3y. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now write the value a1 6, b1 minus 4 and c1 minus 12. Then A2 is equal to 8, B2 minus 3 and C2 minus 2. Okay, write the values of A, B, C. Now D is equal to what? Write the formula A1, A2, B1, B2. Then write the values A1, A2 6, 8, B1, B2 minus 4, minus 3. 6 multiplied by minus 3, put minus sign, minus 4 multiplied by 8. So D is equal to 6 3 is 18, plus minus minus 18, minus minus plus 4 8s are 32. Okay, so 32 minus 18 gives you 28. Okay, the value is 28. Oh, sorry. 32 minus 18 gives you 2 and 14. Right. The value is 14. D is equal to 14. Now come to dx. So formula for dx is C1, C2 and B1, B2. Then C1, C2 minus 12 minus 2, minus 12 minus 2, B1, B2 minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, so 6 6 minus 4 minus 12 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so here the value C1 minus 12 minus 2 and B1 B2 minus 4 and minus 3. Now calculation dx is equal to minus 12 multiplied by minus 3, then put the minus sign, then minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, dx is equal to 12 3s are 36, minus minus plus 36. Here 4 2s are 8 and minus minus plus, then again plus minus minus, so minus 8. Okay, so 36 minus 8 give you 28. So the value of dx is 28. Okay, fine. Now dy, write the formula A1, A2, C1, C2. Okay, then write the values from the equation for dy. A1, A2, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, C1, C2 minus 12 minus 2. Okay, now dy is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2, put the minus sign, then minus 12 multiplied by 8. So dy is equal to 6 to the 12 plus minus minus 12 and 12 8s are 96 minus minus plus 96. Okay, so subtract 12 from 96, 4 and 8, 84. 96 minus 12, 84. So x value is equal to dx upon d. So dx is 28 and d is 14. 14 ones are 14, 2s are 28. Y is equal to dy upon d. So dy 84 upon d is 40. You can cancel by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7. 1 carry. 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 6 are. Okay. So y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6 is the solution. So fourth sum finished. Now come to fifth sum. Now question number 5. Question number 5, 4m plus 6n. Question number 5, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. This is the equation, first equation. Second equation, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Okay, so this two equation, write the value the way we see. A1 is equal to 4, B1 is equal to 6, C1 is equal to 54. A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to 28. Okay, then value of D. A1, A2, B1, B2 formula is. Then write the values. A1, A2 4, 3, B1, B2 6, 2. Then D is equal to 4 multiply by 2, put minus, 4 multiply by 2, put minus sign, 6 multiply by 3. 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18, minus plus minus 18. D is equal to plus 8 minus 18 minus 10. Then dx formula is C1, C2, B1, B2. Okay, then write the values. C1, C2 54, 28, 54, 28, B1, B2 6, 2. Okay, so dx is equal to 54 multiply by 2, put minus sign, 6 multiply by 28. 54 multiply by 2 minus sign, 6 multiply by 28. dx is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 108, 6 8s are 48. Okay, 6 2s are 12 and 4 168. The value is 168. dx is equal to minus 168 and plus 108 gives you minus 60. Okay, so minus 168 plus 108 gives you minus 60. So value of determinant x is minus 60. Determinant y, write the formula. A1, A2, C1, C2 is equal to, then the formula 4 3 and 54 28. Okay, determinant y is equal to 4 multiply by 28, put minus sign, 54 multiply by 3. Determinant y is equal to 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 112. Okay, minus sign, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 16. Okay, so 162. So determinant y is equal to plus 112 minus 162 gives you minus 50. Okay, so value of x is equal to determinant x upon d. Determinant x is equal to minus 60. D is equal to minus 10, minus minus cancel, 10 1s are 10, 6 are. Y is equal to determinant y is equal to dy upon d. Value of y is equal to determinant y upon d minus 50 upon minus 10, minus minus cancel, 10 1s are 10, 5. Therefore x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5 is the solution. Then question number 6. In this 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Equation 1. Okay, write the number equation 1. And second equation is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, equation 2. Little bit will change the equation number 2 just to ease the sum. So we'll remove this 2 as a denominator from this equation. So what we have to do, multiply equation 2 by 2. So when we multiply this equation by 2, this 2x, it will become 2x. This when you multiply by 2, this by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are cut, that means only y. And when we multiply this by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are, only 1 will be left. So this is our new equation. This is our new equation 3. So now we'll take this equation 1 and 3. So when you understand now, this remove this 2. To remove this 2 we have to multiply full equation by 2. So 2x, when you multiply by 2, this 2 and this 2 will cut. When you multiply this by 2, 2 and 2 cut, only 1 will be left. Now a1 from this equation 1 to b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 2. Now this equation 3, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to no value then 1, and the other sign is minus, so minus 1, c2 is equal to 1. So this is our value a, b and c. Now you have to find out the d. D is equal to formula a1 a2 b1 b2, okay, is equal to a1 a2 2 and 2, b1 b2 3 and minus 1. Now d is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1, then put the minus sign, 3 multiplied by 2. So d is equal to 2 ones are 2, plus minus minus 2, 3 twos are 6, plus minus minus plus minus. So d is equal to minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So the value of d is minus 8. Now formula for dx. Dx c1 c2 b1 b2. Write the formula and then the value. c1 c2 2 1 2 1, b1 b2 3 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1. Determinant x is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1, put minus sign, 3 multiplied by 1. Determinant x is equal to 2 ones are 2, minus 2, 3 ones are 3, minus 3 give you minus 5. Okay, so now determinants y. Write the formula a1 a2 c1 c2, then write the values a1 a2 2 2 2 and 2, c1 c2 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Okay, so now determinant y is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, put minus sign, 2 multiplied by 2. Determinant y is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus 4. So determinant y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now x is equal to determinant x upon d. Determinant x minus 5 and determinant d is minus 8. Okay. Minus minus cancel, 5 upon 8. Y is equal to determinant y upon d. Determinant y is minus 2 and this is minus, d is minus 8. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 4 are, so 1 upon 4. So x is equal to 5 upon 8. Y is equal to 1 upon 4 is the solution. Okay. So we have done this 6 sum. So exercise 1.3 is finished. So if you understand and so you get the benefit from my channel, so please like, subscribe and share it. Okay, thank you.